do you think, boss?
It's cold. We saw 3 or 4 bucks. How many bucks did we see?
I think 3.
3 bucks. One of them was really nice.
What do you think about that one?
I think that one will do.
His whole body's clear. Remember, you can put it in the middle of his body, not behind the shoulder, you know, just center it, because I think it's going to drift to the right just a little.
Still holding on to his back?
Yeah, level it on his back. Killed him dead. Yes!
Nice shot, Ron.
Come over, give you a hug.
Oh, thank you.
Congrats.
Thanks for being patient.
Go and tell us what happened.
I was having a hard time looking at it through my reading glasses and just trying to hold steady on them and just squeezed it off. Took a deep breath, pushed it out, squeezed it off. Wow.
How far was it?
642 yards. Oh, thank you, Lance.
Yeah.
I don't know why. He's nice.
I don't think you could get up if you wanted to.
Thanks to Lance with Timberland Outfitters. This is the late deer hunt in Unit 7. Started December 14th, runs through the end of the month. I think it's December 20th. My son-in-law Chase glassed this deer up. We watched him. It's a long ways away. Ended up killing him at 642 yards. Beautiful 3x3 with nice eye guards. I love him. Beautiful buck. Thanks, Lance.
Getting tired. Getting a little excited.
Wait, she's there.
You just lay down?
Yeah, I just laid down.
You ready?
Yep. Shoot, do it again, do it again. He's moving toward that dead tree. going across the top of that snow patch. Alright, we got my gun sighted in. It wasn't sighted in this morning, so we didn't use it. But we went around the mountain, found that buck again. Now we're gonna go after him. Redemption time. Dropped him. Let's go. Yes. Nice. Dropped him.
Thank you.
Oh, we thought we got away.
Hooked up with Lance, Timberland Outfitters, here on the 7 late hunt, 2012. Lance hooked me up pretty good.